Hello, my friends. In today's session, I want to share with you a very effective technique for learning to control the breathing. It's called Viloma, the interrupted breath. Now, as we get deeper into the breathwork practice, we're going to use more and more techniques involving breath holds and energy locks. So with this practice, we're going to start training our lungs to hold the breath so that as you continue on this journey, you can hold it for longer periods of time. Because in principle, the longer you can hold your breath, the more you're able to calm the mind of thoughts and even stop the thoughts. And as you'll see when you practice, when your breath is held out with empty lungs, it's almost impossible to think. I like to start this practice, as we always do, by getting into our favorite seat, whether it's a chair with a straight back or just sitting on a comfortable mat like this in a cross-legged position. Just find your seat and gently close down the eyes and use the withdrawal of your senses from the visual world to look inwards. Scan through your body. And make those adjustments you need so that you have a solid foundation, that you're seated nice and grounded through the sitting bones into the ground beneath you, being supported. And from the sitting bones to the base of the spine, bring your awareness up the spine, straightening the spine as you go, and traveling the spine all the way up to the top of your head. Now that you have a supportive structure, we can relax the parts of the body that do not need to be engaged. Beginning with the crown of the head, pass your awareness through your body down and allow that awareness to relax your body as it passes through each part. From the forehead through the face, relaxing the face, the jaw, and the neck. Awareness is a wave of relaxation as it passes through the shoulders, the arms, all the way down through the hips and the thighs, relaxing any clenching or tension in the legs. Feeling that stability, that structure supporting your body, and then relaxing all that does not need to be engaged. Now bringing your attention to your breathing. Tracing the breath from the tip of the nose as you breathe in through the nostrils. And observe how the breath passes through the space between your eyes as it continues on into your lungs. And observe the exhale as it travels from the lungs back up through your head and out your nose. You may even feel a subtle tingling as you exhale around the ears, part of the back of the head. And in various parts around your head. see if you can notice that. Pay attention to all the big and the subtle sensations involved with your breath. And observe how your mind feels at this moment. Observe your mood. Any cloudiness or pressure or overactivity of the mind. And just observe that and reconnect with the breath again. Now we'll begin to practice Viloma. What we're going to do is breathe in for a few seconds, then hold, and then keep breathing in, and then hold again, and then finally breathe all the way to our lungs full, and then hold for a few seconds. And we do the same on the exhale. We exhale in stages. Exhale a little bit, hold. Exhale a little more, hold. Exhale all the way out and hold. And the yogic breathing works very nicely with this technique. So everyone take a deep inhale together. Exhale it all out. And let's begin. Inhale through the belly, hold. Inhale through the chest, hold. Inhale through the neck all the way full, and hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale more, hold. Exhale all the way out, and hold. Inhale through the belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale all the way full, and hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale more, hold. Exhale all the way till you're empty, hold. Inhale belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale neck, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale all, hold. Inhale belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale neck, and hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale all the way out, hold. Now continue on your own. Find your own pace. And for the inhale at the top and inhale at the bottom, try for 4 or 5 seconds or so to start. Wherever you are, join me by exhaling all the breath out. Let's do 3 more together. Inhale, hold. Inhale, chest, hold. Inhale, neck, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale all the way out and hold. Inhale, hold. Inhale, hold. Inhale to full, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale all the way out and hold. Inhale, belly, hold. Inhale, chest, hold. Inhale, neck, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale, hold. Exhale all the way out and hold. Now relax all technique. No more attempts to control the breathing. Just allow your natural breath to return. Simply observing. No effort, no technique. Simply being and allowing the body to breathe you. Feeling grateful to be able to breathe freely. Considering with wonder how our bodies, when healthy, allow us to breathe 22,000 times a day without us ever being aware. Gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this technique. And I wish you a wonderful day ahead filled with peace, joy, and contentedness. See you in the next session.